You don't need another plan. You need a funeral. A funeral for the weak version of you that keeps negotiating with pain. 30 days. No motivation, no mercy, no witnesses. If you quit once, stop the video. You're not ready. But if you're still here, welcome to your rebuild arc. Phase 1. Erase the easy delete comfort like it insulted your family. Every app, every tab, every bite that makes life too easy. Gone. Comfort made you soft. You don't need balance, you need consequence. Go to your kitchen, dump the sugar, go to your phone, delete the noise, you'll feel empty. That's good. Emptiness is the sound of progress beginning. Phase 2, ritual of discipline. Wake up at 5 a.m., cold shower, no music, no scroll. Walk 10 minutes in silence and remind yourself, every comfort I destroy builds my edge. Train like your future is watching. Journal every night, 3 lines. What did I avoid? What did I conquer? What will I destroy tomorrow? You're not building habits. You're forging identity. Phase 3, face the mirror. By day 12, your mind will scream. That's withdrawal. From distraction, from weakness. Stand in front of the mirror. Look yourself in the eyes. Say out loud, you've failed before, but not this time. Tell the truth to one person you've been lying to. Do one thing that terrifies you. Fear isn't the enemy, it's the doorway. Walk through it. Phase 4, become the fire day 20 onward. Silence becomes your new fuel. Raid something that hurts your ego. Journal your darkness. Write what you refuse to admit. At night, whisper, the old me would have quit here. I buried him. Don't look for results. Look for resistance. That's how steel is made. Final phase, rebirth. On day 30, no celebration, no post, no selfie. Sit still, breathe, ask yourself, what's left to rebuild? You'll realize the truth. Discipline isn't punishment. It's resurrection. If you're still here, comment day 0. Because the real work starts now. Disappear. Return unrecognizable. Subscribe if you refuse to stay average.